Hi everyone, so we've got another GR Yaris in with us for some more tuning work. So in this video we're going to go through a few different steps of this car to show you different power levels you can achieve with different mods. As you can see, it's got a few other mods, this car. So it's got a set of Japan racing wheels, it's got yellow speed coilovers already fitted, one of our Whifbitz carbon vented bonnets, the VS style bonnet, and a TM style carbon rear spoiler, one of our carbon rear spoilers as well. And it's also got a set of Corbeau seats, a carbon steering wheel, carbon mirror caps as well. Lovely looking car, this one. So, and with the mods that are done, it should handle really well. And after we've fitted all the parts we're fitting, it should transform the power as well. So this car's already got one of our Whifbitz exhausts, a GPF pipe and an E-Venturi intake kit fitted. And it's coming with a DT UK tuning box fitted. So we're going to do a power run as it is now and show you the power it's making. So after that, we'll remove the tuning box and map it on the Ecutek software with one of our custom maps to show you the difference between that. And then we're going to fit the Kelford valve springs, Kelford EZ cams, Airtec oil cooler, Airtec intercooler with the pipe kit as well, Airtec turbo inlet and elbow, and the Funk Motorsport turbo blanket to keep you a bit cooler under the bonnet. First we're going to do a power run as it is with the mods fitted. So that's just the E-Venturi intake kit, our exhaust and GPF pipe and the tuning box, and we'll show you the results from that. As you can see from the dyno graph on the screen, it's making 235 wheel horsepower, which is 285 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So that tuning box isn't really doing a lot. With the mods that are fitted already, the E-Venturi intake, GPF pipe and exhaust, we normally see about that sort of power anyway, 285, 290 horsepower. So yeah, all right, so what we're going to do now is remove the tuning box, upload the Ecutek software onto the ECU, and then we're going to get one of our custom tunes done and then show you the results from that. Okay, so that's the tune done with the Ecutek software. We've got a nice jump in power, so it's now making 269 wheel horsepower, which is 324 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So it's about a 60 horsepower gain over the tuning box. And of course, it's running the Ecutek features like the rolled anti-lag and the flat foot shifting, which are really nice, cool features. And it's also got launch control built into it as well. So the next stage is to fit the Kelford EZ cams and the valve springs, along with the Airtec intercooler and pipe kit and Airtec turbo elbow. So we'll get it back off dyno now onto the ramp, get the bits fitted, get it back on the dyno and retune the ECU to see the mods and show you the results. Right, that's the tune done with the Kelford cams fitted, and it's now making 288 wheel horsepower, which is 347 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So a gain of about 23 horsepower roughly. One thing I will say, it's a very hot day here today. It's over 30 degrees, so that makes a big difference in power. So I'd expect this car to be running over 350 horsepower on a cooler day. So the next stage, if this customer wants to go a bit further with the power, would be to fit a hybrid turbo. That should get the power up to about 380 horsepower if he wants a bit more. And if you like your GR Yaris tunes, please get in touch and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks.